If you want to add your Microsoft Store downloaded apps games to your Windows desktop, I will show you on PC, but same process for laptop too. You just need to click this search and just type run, RUN, run. Then you can see this, click open. Then it will open up a folder like this. Here you just need to type shell : apps folder. Just like that, shell : apps folder. Okay. Then it will open up all your apps like this. Here scroll down and find the app you want to add. Let's say if it is a Facebook, right click over Facebook and click shortcut and S. That's it. Here you can see Facebook shortcut was created. If you open this, it will open up your Facebook app. So this is how you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about these topics, watch these videos.